Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for being back to watch another video here on my kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button for notifications. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be showing you how to make homemade chili, something very delicious and easy to make. The first thing you are going to do, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 pounds of ground beef. You're gonna move and until the meat start getting loose. Now you are going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. You're also gonna stir the meat around so that way the garlic can combine with all the meat that you are cooking today. Once the ingredients are well combined, now you are going to add 2 chicken cubes. You're gonna chop a whole onion and you also gonna add the onions to the pan. You're gonna stir all and you wanna let the onions and the meat cook for around 5 to 7 minutes before you add any other ingredients. So that way the onions can release all the flavor to the recipe. Now you want to add 3 cups of crushed tomatoes. And look how beautiful this looks. Remember to stir all so that way the ingredients can be well combined. You're also gonna add a cup of pinto beans. You can use any other different beans that you would like, you prefer. I really prefer the pinto ones, are my favorites. That's what I'm using, the pinto ones. Now you're gonna add chili powder, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and a tablespoon of salt. You're gonna move all these around. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this looks. Remember, you can make this type of recipes in the winter time when the time of the year is cold and cozy and everybody wants to be under the blankets and at home watching TV. This is a perfect recipe for that time of the year. Look how beautiful. Let me let you see how this look at this chili. Completely amazing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and leave your comment. If you like this recipe, leave me a comment and I will keep making recipes like this. Look how beautiful. This amazing chili is ready to be served. And here are the end result, guys. An amazing recipe, amazing dish we have created once again here in my kitchen. Look at the color. I cannot explain to you the smell and the beauty of this plate. You can add a little bit of cheese, some fritters. I put a little bit of sour cream on mine, and I'm gonna tell you how beautiful and how incredible this amazing dish tastes. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. I will see you next time with another recipe, another video, here in my kitchen. Kitchen.